Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Discord server. Some provide full guide. So let's get started. So at first open your Discord, follow the left side, scroll down and you get add a server option. Press on to add a server. Okay. Then you get this interface. Create my own for me and my friend or for a club or community. Like select the first option. Write the server name. Okay. And if you want to upload any photo from here, for example, click on to create. Okay, alright, now successfully create a server. Press on invite your friend and you just invite friend from here or copy. Okay, and click on to setting icon. You just write channel name, channel topic, show mode on or off, like select 5 second, or if you want to add as restriction this channel, make sure to turn on, or I'm not enable this. Select and just customize from here. Finally press on save change. Okay, permission, if you want to make it private channel, to enable private channel, or add role, I'm not make it private channel, invites. Okay, overall setup. Okay, and press on to plus option to channel type, and you just select channel type, showing it to 3 different way, like select to voice. Okay, and create channel. Okay, alright, so that's how we can easily create a Discord server.